$400 PC build. If you search this on YouTube, you will get plenty of videos. But how is this video different from the others? Well, after watching this video, you will have a complete idea about what you are going to get and how to build the best PC for $400. Let's get started. So for the processor, we have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one cost around $127, and reason for choosing this is, as you can see, it has more than 8,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon, and also for a price tag of just under $130, it's offering excellent value for money. You will get up to 4.4 GHz boost clock speed, which is more than enough for your day-to-day usage and also for gaming. Also, you are going to get 6 cores and 12 threads, which will give you an excellent performance for productive level workload considering the budget. And the best part of this processor is its integrated Radeon Vega 7 graphics is very powerful compared to Intel, so an excellent value for money processor. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the Asus Prime A520M. This one costs around $80, and for $80 you are going to get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD support, a small heatsink over the VRM section so you won't see any thermal throttling. And as you all know, Asus is a very premium motherboard brand, and also you are getting a latest A520M series. So overall, for only under $80, it's an excellent purchase. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z DDR4 16GB RAM. Now here we are getting a combo. Each of them are 8GB, so in total you will get 16GB, and there's a 3200 MHz RAM, so you will get decent performance out of it. And also, as you can see, it comes with excellent heatsink, which will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated. And to give you ease of mind, those RAMs comes with lifetime warranty, so you will be worry-free for your lifetime. Then for the SSD, you have chosen the Crucial P3 500GB PCIe Gen 3 SSD. This one costs around $35, and for only under $35, you are getting 500GB of SSD, which is excellent. And also, you are getting up to 3500 Mbps read speed, which is more than enough for a day-to-day PC users. Basically, it means your PC will load faster, your games will load faster, your software will load faster. Overall, you will get an excellent super fast experience if you install this SSD. Then for the power supply, I have chosen the Thermaltake Tough Power 80 Plus Gold Certified 500 watt power supply. This one cost around $60. Now this 500 watt power supply is more than enough to supply power to a 5600G build, as you are not using any dedicated graphics card. And also, it is 80 Plus Gold Certified power supply, which is excellent for a power supply only under $60. And also, it comes with 5-year plus warranty, which is another plus point. And this power supply will also make your PC a future-proof PC, as you are using an 80 Plus Gold Certified 500 watt power supply. You can easily add an external graphics card in future like RTX 3060 easily without changing your PSU. And finally, for the casing, you are using the Zalman i3 Neo Black Edition. This one cost around $65, and for only $65, you are getting 4 pre-installed ARGB fans. You are also getting a mesh in the front, so you will see excellent airflow. And all those components will cost around $412. Hope I was able to help you. Thanks for watching.